Hi, welcome everyone in my first video regarding making research apps, and this is my first app that I'm going to present. The functionality and purpose will be explained during the course of the app. So this app, what does it do? It can do a plotting of quadratic moderator function. So you can see here that you can visualize a model where you have an intercept and x and a slope, x square and a slope, moderate m variable and a slope, cross product as a slope, and x square into m as a and multiply by slope. So you can give the values from a0 to a5, mean the slope values, and then it can plot the function. Okay, so now I will show the functionality. So let's say my model is, my dependent variable is CO2 emissions, okay, and my independent variable is GDP, and then my moderator is renewable energy. Okay, now my intercept value is maybe 10, let's say 150, my GDP is 5.8, and this is 0.08, and the intercept value is -2, and this is um, let's say it call it -1, and this is 0.10. Okay, so let's say these are the coefficient values. Then I will add the data for the moderator variable because I needed to calculate different scene points in it. I will start with from where I need to start my y variable. X variable, I should start it with 0 to 250 because technically GDP cannot be negative, and I'm assuming that it is a log data, so it will start from 0 to 250. You can increase the data points to improve the smoothness of the data. I need to manually set limits. Okay. So it will update in the graph. So my dependent variable, I start with 0 to maybe 100 because the CO2 emissions cannot be negative, and also assuming that it is log data. I wanted to present the percentiles or manually. So if I do percentiles, it is currently presenting 3 percentile positions. I can add more. I will show it later on. Then you have a title and a legend. And then if you want to make a 300 dpi graph. This functionality I am currently working on because it depends upon the user's um, interface. Okay, so when I added the data, you can see there are 3 positions, 3 colors for 25 percentile, 50 percentile, and 75 percentile, and you have the three line types. So I can add dash dot here and dash here. So you can see all the labels are here, and when I update the graph, you can see the moderation plot. Okay, so the moderation is showing here in the legend, and then you have the lines. Okay, so if you want to add more positions, let's say I update 20, 40. If I press enter, it will show me 4 types, and if I update, you can see 4 lines. Okay, so this way it will update. Now you can download it from here, plot it as a png. You can make it a full screen and then download if you want, or make a screenshot so that it is big enough, or you can go back, and then the next version include you can see the equation that are generated, the coefficients that are plotted, so you can discuss in your methodology if you want, and then you can download this Excel file below, and then later on the new function will enable this, so you can plot these graphs. I hope you like this library, this new app that I made. I will share the short link for it in the comments below, and kindly give your feedback and your suggestions what you want more in this library so that I can improve in the new versions. Thank you very much for watching.